Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can unlock the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G with face recognition without having to swipe. So normally when you have the face data added and you unlock your screen with your face, then you will need to swipe to proceed with the lock screen to actually unlock our device. But instead we can also go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then go to biometrics and then go for face recognition. Enter your PIN code or anything else that you use. And then over here we have this option, stay on lock screen until swipe. You want to disable this option. If you disable it and then you go back to the lock screen, and if the camera detects your face, then you should be able to just go straight ahead to the home screen instead of having to swipe after the face recognition. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.